guys, what the heck, another miniature Dollar Tree haul. I promise I'm gonna be making earrings soon. I had to get more items from the Dollar Tree. They were calling my name. So listen, remember I did a video on using seasonal wood blanks? These are gonna be perfect for like some cutesy upside down earrings or even dangling. No one has to know they're Christmas trees. I normally don't send out Christmas cards, but my mom is always sending us the most beautiful cards for just no reason at all, or for the holidays. And so I got her a Christmas card. I got my sister a Christmas card, which she'll probably know about now that she's seen this video probably, and my neighbor next door who always sends us cards for every season and birthdays as well. Dollar Tree has the most incredibly amazing cards this year, and they are just so cute. Look at the inside, and they have the sweetest sayings. And so again, I'm not a card person. I'm the worst gift giver known to man, God bless it. I'm like, hey, here's a gift card or some cash, right? So this year I'm trying to do better. But listen, over the weekend I was getting some things ready for my husband's men's conference, and I saw these. These were not the ones I wanted, but they didn't have the ones I was looking for. And remember, I bought the Lisa Frank stickers that you'll see at the end more closely in detail. But I thought these might go great with those. I'm not sure. I got an extra pack of the black flowers, but look, they had pink. When I went back, the white ones were gone. If you see something at Dollar Tree, you probably already learned the hard way like I did. Buy it in bulk and in multiples, because it's not going to be there again. These I wasn't so sure about, but I kind of liked them, and I was like, they might make cute earrings. So I decided to get a pack, and there's enough to make tons of earrings. It was 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. You can make 6 pairs of earrings from those 2 packs. And then I was finally able to run around to 3 more Dollar Trees. I had to literally drive an hour out of town, about 45 minutes. I'm being dramatic, just to get the pink and the blue ones. So excited. So I got extra packs of those. The pink are gorgeous. So I got 2 packs of the pink, because I thought, well, maybe they'll go with the pink flowers. How cutesy is that? The blue are going to go with these. Those are the ones I wanted to go with the Lisa Frank stickers. I have no clue why or even how they're going to fit, and the yellow pack, but I just think they're going to stand out. They're going to look super glitzy and glamorous. I didn't love those so much, the multicolored ones, because I feel like it gets drowned out with all the colors in the Lisa Frank stickers. I have no clue why my camera is sideways. What am I doing my whole life today? I think my coffee hasn't processed, but you get the gist in the picture. And then here are the stickers. Just turn your phone to the side. You should be able to see it. Oh my gosh, what was I doing this morning? But anyway, the stickers are super colorful and gorgeous, and I'm excited, and we're going to use those. I'm hoping to sit down and be able to do some jewelry this weekend. But look, I don't even know why I bought these. I don't even wear nails, but they were just so cute. I love the ones with the smiley faces and the daisies. They look like 70s. That's probably why they say nostalgia, modern art. So I am going to try those and put those on when I'm not busy, because I don't want to lose a nail and it be flicking all over the place. These were some beads I got from Michael's a few months back. Wasn't sure if I shared them or not, but this is when I was thinking I wanted to do something kind of boho, and I realized I don't like boho in terms of a style. But now that I have these, I'm going to keep them. No clue what I'm going to do with them, but I just thought I'd throw them in here in this haul. So hope you guys have a great day. God bless you.